I give a Chef Ricardo juice bar challenge. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes, ideas and things we like to make at home. Anyway, I'm just gonna make a simple little tomato salad. It's gonna be very easy, and hopefully you guys will like this one. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Just gonna put a few bits and pieces in it and just make it up for a nice lovely salad. All right, guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay there and don't go anywhere. I love you all, and we have the best recipe for you. Stay tuned. Guys, so basically got some cherry tomato and also celery. So I'm just gonna cut up these nice lovely cherry tomato. Nice one. Put a few of the big one in it. Red onion. Spring onion. Put a few celery in it. Some red pepper. Roughly half a lime juice. Nice and lovely. Let's give it a stir. A bit of olive oil or vegetable oil. Now we're going to put some dried chili. A bit of cracked pepper. tablespoon of honey. Easy and simple dish. Cherry tomato salad. Enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe. Leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. That's Chef Ricardo salad for the day. Alright? That's exactly what we're talking about. Lovely salad, simple and easy to make at home. Nothing too complicated to make such a nice, lovely salad. By just using some tomato, cherry tomato and bits and pieces. Just come out lovely and nice, just like this. Yeah, this is exactly what you're talking about. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo team. So please tell a friend.